Today we're cleaning and restoring a Coach Signature C black stripe canvas shoulder bag in gray and black canvas with black leather trim. One of the things we love about this super stylish bag is its wearability with a crossbody option. This bag was a mess. It had what we think were coffee stains all over the signature canvas. It was so dirty, in fact, that we broke out one of our favorite stain removers to pre-treat each and every stain before we threw that thing in the washer for a thorough inside and out cleaning. Then we conditioned all of the leather, shined up the bag's hang tags, and reshaped it to take it from preloved to reloved. Wait until you see how amazing this bag came out. Welcome to the Velvet Muzzle, where we thrift pre-loved vintage luxury bags and give them a second chance as reloved treasures. Some of these beauties we'll keep for ourselves, and others we offer on our website at thevelvetmuzzle.com. This CoachSignatureCBag is available for purchase on our website. Today we're sharing how we brought this beauty back to life. We'll have everything we used in the process linked in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe so you know when we share a new pre-loved restoration. Enjoy.